The Supreme Court has dismissed a public interest litigation petition filed against the rollout of 20% ethanol blended petrol without giving consumers the choice to opt for ethanol-free fuel. Samir is here with more details on this court ruling. Samir.
So that was an important matter listed in the Supreme Court, and it was to be heard by a two-member bench, which included CJI, Chief Justice of India. And this matter was related to the ethanol blended government's petrol program. So Supreme Court has dismissed this PIL that sought to have some sort of clarity related to the ethanol blending petrol program. This PIL that was filed argues the important point that it mentions that there should be a choice that should be given to the customers that what sort of petrol they want to opt for, whether it is ethanol blended petrol or non-ethanol blended petrol. In addition to this, the petitioner also argued that though ethanol blending petrol, it is a natural progression, but there are vehicles, millions and millions of vehicles which are not compatible or not designed for a higher ethanol blended petrol. So that sort of clarity should be given to the customers and the choice to have ethanol or a non-ethanol blended petrol at the petrol pump stations. But Attorney General representing the central government argued that this petition has got some vested interest. In the court, it was also mentioned that there is a lobby which is working against this entire mega mission of the government, that is to have ethanol blended petrol in the country. And based on these sort of counter argument, one argument was also made by the Attorney General that this entire program is actually benefiting the sugarcane farmers as well. So after listening to both the sides, now the Supreme Court has dismissed this PIL, which will definitely give some sort of relief, and also a larger context is that it will provide a much needed clarity to the central government. And this PIL can also be seen in the light that recently the government has been facing a lot of criticism that because of the ethanol blended petrol, the performance, the engine performance of the vehicle, it has gone down, corrosion is there, the mileage of the vehicle has decreased significantly. So these sort of criticisms are there, but yes, when the PIL was filed, it was very much interesting and important to note that what course of action the Supreme Court will decide. And now, importantly, the Supreme Court has dismissed this PIL.